Sleeping in at Oshkosh. It has cleared up out here, but there were some nasty storms that rolled through. They've pushed off to the south now. Should be a nice day. Day 2, Tuesday.
But there's a whole lot of planes.
Koa's upset that we're leaving. He wants to stay forever. Anyway, got the tent all packed up, cooler and everything. Just finishing up with the airplane. And now we're gonna fly back to Aurora and we'll be back up here again tomorrow.
Departure information, Tango 1653 Zulu, weather, winds 25010, gust 17, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 24, dew point 17, altimeter 29906, runway 27, runway 18 right in use, VFR departures follow the direction of the EA flagman to the departure runway, do not call ground control for taxi. VFR aircraft departing runway 27, monitor FAA controllers on frequency 128.75 for departure instructions. VFR aircraft departing runway 18 right, monitor FAA controllers on frequency 118.9 for departure instructions. IFR aircraft with a departure reservation, contact clearance delivery frequency 119.05 for clearance and approval for engine start no earlier than 30 minutes prior to estimated time of departure. Do not start taxi without approval. Ensure an IFR card is placed in the windshield before taxi.
Taxiing out at Oshkosh. Koa Bear's first flight into Oshkosh. A lot of people waving, saying hi.
This is Kevin and Jamie sitting back here.
Kevin and Toccoa. Jamie will be up Wednesday through Friday. The controllers giving us a shout out.
Sorry, camera, if it's gonna be a long video.
You're so cute.
Most of the video is probably just gonna be us waiting here at Oshkosh.
Yeah.
Are we gonna be able to get back?
We could have been home by now.
Yeah. Well, no, we wouldn't.
I'm just playing.
We would probably
be halfway home.
Yeah, we would be halfway. Planes, can you just land and go away?
D6, runway 27, line up away.
Yes. Go. Go, go, go.
I think those guys are at initial.
BT-13, I'm second in line here. Bravo Charlie 27, line up away. T6, 27, clear for takeoff.
Alright, bud. Taking off now.
BT-13, runway 27, line up away.
Whoa, wonderful.
Bravo Charlie 27, clear for takeoff.
Alright, loose brakes. Gauges are in the green.
See you, Kevin. Big fan.
See ya, thank you much. Fuel flows are normal. Airspeed's alive. 60. 70. 80.
BT-13, runway 27, clear to takeoff.
Rotate.
Rotate.
Tap the brakes.
Or Charlie Delta, you're
coming
crossing
up.
or departing? Okay, just hold short for now.
Look at all these planes.
Central aircraft, runway 27 departures, flight heading 270 through heading 360 at or below 1,300 until clear of the class Delta. Use caution for aircraft inbound over fix over the railroad track at 1,800.
Bit bumpy today.
Alright.
Can you see 310 from like a bit away? Probably because it's the only paint job that, probably we only have this paint job in the whole world.
Yeah.
Who would get this paint job?
We're at 1,300. Alright. We're outside the Delta. Now we're climbing. So we're gonna climb on this heading till we get up above the 2,300 foot pattern. Then we're gonna turn.
Whoa.
I'll get us to some smooth air, bud.
Please do.
Alright, now we're turning on course. Tail damper is on.
Oh. Can you fly with your landing gear down?
Yeah, you can. You just have to go slower. You can't go above 160 with the gear down.
Service terminated. Squawk via fire frequency change approved. Have a good day.
There's just limits on the airplane. If you go too fast, it can damage the landing gear.
Are you on autopilot?
I am. Just a little bit bumpy. Man, those... Dakota, I can't believe you slept through those rain showers like that.
Family 6 Charlie Foxtrot.
The storms last night were so bad.
Were you sleeping?
Number 6 Charlie Foxtrot and altitude 0
It woke me up.
Traffic 12 o'clock now, 6 miles northeastbound. Type is unknown. Altitude indicates 3,500.
It woke Daddy up.
It didn't wake me up.
No, you were sleeping right through it. I mean, the winds were gusting like 60 to 70, y'all. I should have grabbed a camera and filmed what the tent was doing. Tent was blowing quite a bit.
Number 6 Charlie Papa, turn right heading 34.
We're
40 at the vector for
35 minutes from home.
Number 6 Charlie Papa, Roger, radar service terminated. Squawk via fire frequency change approved. Good day.
Oh wait, hold on. It's paper, rock, scissors, go, right?
No, it's a rock.
1,
paper,
2,
scissors.
rock, paper, scissors, go. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Wait.
Number 11 Lima Alpha, Madison approach. Madison altimeter
you got me.
3000.
One more time. Oh, we're tied. Tiebreaker. Oh, you win. You're pretty good at that game. What was your favorite part of Oshkosh?
Okay, and it was something Mike, did you check in?
Planes.
What's that?
The little planes.
You like the little planes?
Yeah.
So liked pedaling in the little planes.
49 Mass Approach, good afternoon. Wind 21010. Do you want 18 or 210?
And you got to get into a helicopter and a
49, expect a visual
B-130, I think it was.
Let's go in a helicopter.
You got in 2 helicopters. You got to sit in them.
Oh, I didn't get to sit in the helicopters.
But I have a picture of you right here where you were in an Apache helicopter sitting in it.
Traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, indicates 2,600, type unknown.
I thought you meant in the air.
Oh no.
0473.
How is it bumpy? I just don't get that. We're not on a road.
Yeah, it's just the different air up here is doing different things. The sun heats the Earth's crust and the warm air rises, creates pockets of bumpy air. You can't see them because it's just air. Chicago approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is 3,800 with whiskey at Aurora, Cessna 310, have the traffic in sight.
You're good, 771 Bravo Charlie, O'Hare altimeter 3000.
3000, howdy Brock.
How's it going, Kevin?
Pretty good.
Was it getting out of Oshkosh? Was there a bunch of weather up there?
Man, we got rocked in the tent last night. I got my 7-year-old with me, and boy, it was a wild storm, probably 60 or 70 knot winds.
Landfield's character for the little guy.
I wish I could fly.
You want to fly for a bit?
With your hands on here.
Huh?
With your hands on here, so if I do something wrong.
Okay. So you want me to turn the autopilot off so you can fly?
Tell me, can you get it, like, can I have your hands on it too?
Sure.
So if I do something wrong, you can correct me?
No problem, bud. Alright, I'm going to turn the autopilot off. And then, now you're flying. Doing okay.
Chicago, Cessna 520 Tango 5000. Number 520 Tango.
You're doing good. Now level out just a bit. Look, bud, you're flying.
Selected 21, have a good day.
You're doing good. Flying us back home. All by yourself.
1935 20 Tango.
If you look out, you can see where we're going. If you look above the dash. Yeah, look out while we're flying. Now come left just a little bit.
1811 Sierra 1900 climbing.
Just a little bit left. There you go, bud. You're doing great.
1811.
You're a pilot. Now roll out wings level.
4000, flying 270.
There you go.
270, climb maintain 4000, Hawker.
Right there.
110. 110, contact departure 135.
You're doing it. That's that smile I like.
27, Hawker 110.
I feel like a pro.
You are like a pro.
Mooney 4269 hotels just off.
Turn back to the left just a little bit.
4269 hotel, Sky approach, box 5115. 5115, 69 hotel.
Level off. Look out the window.
Contact 6 North to DuPage Airport. Stay type aircraft again, request. We're a Mooney M20P and
yeah, you're back level right now, bud.
India Alpha.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Line up 6,500. We like flight
Am I
Pauline.
doing good?
You're doing great.
Hotel Rogers, maintain outside class Bravo, altimeter 3001. Outside the class Bravo, 3001, 69 hotel. 1 Bravo Charlie, you can contact Roar Tower 120.6.
20.6, 1B6, yeah.
Yep.
Aurora Tower, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is 10 miles north with X-ray, full stop.
I'm flying
Cessna
like
771
you.
Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, enter right base, runway 27, report 3 miles north.
Right base 27, report 3 north, 1BC. Alright, bud, so we gotta turn to the left just a little bit.
This way?
Yeah. You're doing good. I'll tell you when to roll out.
Aren't we going away?
Well, he wanted us to enter a right base instead of the downwind, so we gotta swing out here a little ways. Like right about here.
Okay. Alright. Flying. Flying.
Yep, you're flying, bud.
So we're not going straight anymore?
Yeah, you are going straight. Just, you go like, pick out like that water tower or something that you see way out there and just fly towards it.
Okay, I'll fly towards the water tower, which is straight ahead.
Yeah.
Everything looks good.
Everything looks good. Daddy's gonna turn the fuel pumps on low. Fuel's back on the mains. See, there's the airport.
571 Juliet Alpha, am I clear to land?
Yep, yep.
571 Juliet Alpha, Aurora Tower. You are now. Runway 27, cleared for the
Look on the
option.
side.
Wind 2006.
Runway 27, clear for the
We gotta come left just a little bit more. Like this other water tower. The one this way?
Oh, that one tower?
Yeah.
Level. Everything looks leveled. Wings level. I'm level.
November 819 Romeo Kilo. Traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles, maneuvering 3,000. Additional traffic,
All right,
12
bud.
o'clock, 4 miles.
Daddy's gonna have to fly to land,
Altitude
okay?
indicates 2,100 maneuvering.
That was a good job though, thank you.
Change approved, now good one.
Alright, we have both those electronically looking for them, and frequency change. Thank you much.
1 Bravo Charlie's 3 mile right base 27.
Did this plane go upside down?
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, clear to land. Number 2, following a Cessna over the numbers, wind 2006.
27 clear to land 1 BC. Wind 200 at 6. Alright bud, we gotta start getting dirty here. Alright, gears down. Alright, we got 3 in the green. So gas, fuel pumps are on low, fuel's on the mains. Undercarriage, we got 3 in the green. And mixtures and props are all set pretty good.
Everything on here looks good.
So we're gonna land now, okay?
Yep.
You got your seatbelt on nice?
Yeah.
Alright. So no talking and don't touch the yoke.
Aurora Tower, Cessna 944 Lima Alpha, well, 12 miles out for inbound for landing with information X-ray.
Cessna 1 Juliet Alpha, extend upwind 1 mile.
Extending up 1 mile, 1 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 944 Lima Alpha, Aurora Tower, see direction from airport.
10 miles, or 12 miles south.
Cessna 4 Lima Alpha, enter left base, runway 27, report 4 miles south. Cessna 4 Lima Alpha, enter left base, runway 27, report 4 miles south.
Left base 27, report 4 miles out, Cessna 944 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 1 Juliet Alpha, start your left crosswind.
Starting left crosswind, 1 Juliet Alpha. Aurora Tower, citation 5 Alpha Fox, we're ready to go, runway 27.
Citation 5 Alpha Foxtrot, Aurora Tower, hold short, runway 27, landing traffic.
Short 27, 5 Alpha.
That was a pretty good touchdown.
Yep.
Not quite on center line. But this is like
Citation 5 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 27, line up 08. Next traffic, Cessna, 2 miles west of the airport in a left crosswind.
Runway 27, 5 Alpha.
Cessna 1 Juliet Alpha, extend downwind, traffic in position, runway 27, citation.
Extending downwind, 1 Juliet Alpha.
1 Bravo Charlie, exit runway 15, contact ground point 7.
15 ground point 71 BC. Have a good one. Well, we had a nice flight home. It was a little bit longer than anticipated, 50 minutes due to the headwinds and having to fly way out west of the airport before we turned on course, but I thought it was an awesome daddy-son trip. Boom, 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 boom. Oshkosh 2021, we nailed it. That was...
Yeah!
What are you doing, silly goose?
Yeah!
People don't want to hear you scream yeah all the time.
Yeah!
Alright, I think we've lost him.
Yeah!
Stay tuned, we'll be going back up there
Ah!
again into the gauntlet.
Yeah!
See how it is. Thanks for your support, guys. Can you say goodbye to the people?
Yeah!
He's lost it.
Bye!